Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn 10 best tips how to learn English faster and easier. This video suggested by one of our subscribers. If you have comment or suggestion, please put down below in comment sections. We are here to help you. This is your channel. 1. Read everything you can get your hands on. Books, paperbacks, newspapers, websites, emails, your social media feed. Anything's that written by English, just try to read it. By this trick, you will read new vocabulary. This helps you improve quickly. This helps you increase your reading skills. 2. Actively take note of new vocabulary. Not everything sticks the first time. Whenever you hear or read a new word or expression, write it down in context. This trick will help you learn new words and increase your vocabulary. 3. Talk with real live humans. What is a language for? You might say for communication, right? Then speak English with native speakers or those who have knowledge of English. This trick will help you increase your speaking skills. Start with what you really need. If you want to learn for daily conversations, then learn new phrases and daily needs. Do you want to learn English to get a job? To travel? Whatever your motivation is, be sure not to lose sight of that motivation. If you are a doctor, then you do not need to learn engineering words. It makes you confused. Learn what you need for. 5. Go abroad. If you are able to move some English countries, select one. This is best way you will meet a lot of English speakers. You can speak with them and learn from them. 6. Practice, practice, practice. As we've seen, there's no magic way to learn English instantly. You'll have to work at it a lot. Obviously, if you're in a class, you should attend class, do the homework and study continuously. The more you practice, the better and quicker you'll learn. 7. Never shy when you do mistakes. This is normal. When we're learning a new language, we will do mistakes. No one is perfect. Perfection is for God. Do mistake, learn from your mistakes. 8. Plan of study. You should have put time for studying English or for any new languages. You have to make schedule for it. It is good to learn 1 hour every day, but see your time, at least put 15 minutes for every day to get better result. 9. Start listening English. Listening is best way to learn English faster and easier. Try to listen English podcasts every day. For 1 hour or at least 30 minutes a day. 10. Subscribe English with Yusuf YouTube channel now. If you subscribe our YouTube channel and watch our videos, we will teach you best ways and faster tricks to learn English less than 6 months. Be with us, be success.
If you find our videos useful, please subscribe now. Like our videos and share them with your friends and families.